Welcome to our channel. This channel is dedicated to helping you grow on YouTube step by step. Here, you will learn how the YouTube algorithm works, how to create high-quality content, how to edit videos professionally, and how to monetize your channel effectively. Whether you are a complete beginner or someone looking to improve your skills, this channel provides practical tutorials, real examples, and simple strategies to help you succeed on YouTube. Our main focus includes YouTube for beginners, content creation basics, understanding the YouTube algorithm, video editing from A to Z, channel growth and SEO, and monetization strategies. We also share useful tools, including AI tools and advanced techniques to make your YouTube journey easier and more successful. Start learning, start creating, and grow your YouTube channel with us.